In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change style in Microsoft Forms. This process allows you to personalize your forms and quizzes, making them visually appealing and aligned with your branding or theme. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any search engine. Type in the words Microsoft Forms in the search bar and press Enter. On your screen, you will see a list of results. Look for the official Microsoft Forms link to ensure you are accessing the right site. This step is essential because accessing the correct platform is the foundation for the changes you will be making. Once you find the link, click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already signed in, you may not need to take any action here. However, if the login screen appears, enter your credentials to access your account. You may need your email address and password linked to your Microsoft account. Logging in ensures that your changes are saved to your account. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Microsoft Forms dashboard. After that, open your existing form or quiz. On the dashboard, you will see a list of your previously created forms and quizzes. Click on the one you want to style. This could be a survey, a quiz, or any form you have created. Opening the correct document is vital because you cannot change the style of a form that isn't currently open. With your form opened, you are now ready to customize its appearance. Now, look at the top right header menu frame. In this area, you will find various icons and options that allow you to edit your form. It is important to familiarize yourself with this menu as it contains all the tools you need for styling. The header is usually consistent across all forms, so once you know where to look, it will be easier for you in future edits. Next, click the Style icon, which looks like a paint palette. This icon represents design and styling options. When you click on it, a new menu will appear on your screen. This is a crucial step because the style icon is your gateway to customizing the look of your form. You will see various options to change backgrounds, layouts, and more. Here, you can choose the layout and background of your quiz or form. The options may range from color schemes to background images. Take your time to explore these choices. You can select a layout that best suits the purpose of your form. This step is significant because a well-designed form can enhance user engagement and make your content more inviting. Finally, click One to apply. Changes applied in real time. As you select different options, you will see the changes immediately reflected on your form. This instant feedback allows you to experiment with various styles until you find the perfect look. It's reassuring to know that you can make adjustments right away and see how they affect your form. With these steps completed, you now have the tools to change the style of your forms in Microsoft Forms. Enjoy personalizing your quizzes and forms to reflect your unique style. Remember, a visually appealing form can make a big difference in how your audience interacts with your content. Happy styling!